Hello students, welcome to session organized by Department of Collegiate and Technical Education under Learning Management System. In rate analysis, we are discussing purpose of rate analysis, how to fix up rate per unit of an item, construction details of work and rate analysis problems. Purpose of rate analysis to determine the current rate per unit of an item at the locality. To examine the viability of rates offered by contractors. To calculate labor strength and equipment required for project planning. To fix up labor contract rates. How to fix up rate per unit of an item. Equipment, tools and plants and also materials, labors, etc. Main thing is material, we fix the present rate in market. And second one is labor. Labor rate is normally daily wages, and main thing we variation in equipment, tools and plant because of equipments for general use as per item. Example, concrete mixture. As per unit of concrete, certain tools and plants are difficult to allocate as per the specific item. Hence, their costs are considered in establishment charges. For special equipment extra, we add extra 1% to 1.5% of estimated cost is provided. Overhead or establishment charges. This is actually 2.5% to 5% adding extra for establishment charges. Overhead charges increases with delay in project. And establishment charges are traveling, equipment slash salaries, rents, office rents, etc. Construction details for following work: plastering and pointing. In plastering, what is plastering? Plastering is a process of covering rough surfaces of walls, columns, ceilings and other buildings components with thin coat of plastic mortar to form a smooth, durable surfaces. Objectives of plastering: to provide an even, smooth, regular, clean and durable finished surfaces. Second objective is to preserve and protect these surfaces from atmospheric actions or influences. Third one, to cover the defective workmanship, porous materials and the joints formed in the masonry works. Fourth one, to provide a satisfactory base by applying whitewashing, painting, distempering. And fifth one is, in internal plastering, the basic objective is to protect from dust. Procedure of plastering: surface preparation, application of mortar, finishing, curing. In surface preparation, all masonry joints should be cleaned. All unevenness should be removed. Mortar drop and dust is removed with wire brushes. The surface is washed and kept wet. After application of cement slurry. Next one is pointing. Pointing is basically finishing of mortar joints is masonry. In masonry, procedure of pointing. Pointing consists of racking the joints to a depth of 10 to 20 mm. Racking the joints first. After racking the joints and filling it with better quality mortar in desired shape. Here we mentioned pictures of pointing. First one is racking the joints. After racking, we cleaning the joints by using brush, and after we apply the mortar in joints. After applying the joints, we again brushing the joint finishes. After joint finishing, we doing the design. Rate analysis for following work. First one is plastering. Here plastering, we taking 12 mm thick plaster with cement mortar 1:6. Take 100 square meter. Calculation of materials. Volume of concrete. Volume of concrete means volume of mortar 0.012 into 100. 100 means total area 100 square meter. 0.012 is thickness. In converted 12 m to convert in meters is coming around 0.012. 12 divided by 1000 is 0.012 into 100 is equal to 1.2 cubic meter. Adding 20% extra for unevenness of base concrete or base. 1.2 plus 20 divided by 100 into 1.2 is equal to 1.44 cubic meter. Adding 35% extra for dry volume for 1.44 cubic meter. 1.44 plus 35 divided by 100 into 1.44 is equal to 1.92 cubic meter. Cement 1.92, 1 ratio 1:6, 1 into 1.92 divided by total proportion, we are getting 0.274 cubic meter is equal to 0.27 into 30 bags per cubic meter of cement into 30 multiplied by 30 bags is equal to, it's coming around 8.2 bags. We rounded off, say 9 bags. Coarse sand 0.27 into 6 times of sand, 6 into 0.274, we getting 1.64 cubic meter. In tabular column, serial number, particulars, quantity, rate per unit, amount. First, materials: cement, sand, scaffolding. Cement is 9 bags, present rate is 320 per bag, 9 into 320, 2880. Sand 1.64 cubic meter, total quantity for 100 square meter 1.64 cubic meter, present rate is rupees 3000 per cubic meter, multiply 1.64 into 3000, getting 4920 rupees. Scaffolding lump sum 500 rupees. In labors, second one is labor. Second one is labor. Admission, Mason, Mazdoor, Bisti. Admission is of the of wages per day 800 per day. Masons 10 rupees 600 per day. Mazdoor labors, male labor or female labor, 10 rupees 450 per day, and Bisti 4 numbers rupees 450 per day. BISTI means mixing of cement and sand labor. Mortar mixing labor is called BISTI. Four numbers, rupees 450 per day, 1800. 4 into 450, 1800. And third one is tools and plants. Tools and plants, taking lump sum in 1000 rupees. Total 22,000. We are adding 1% of water and 10% of contractor profit. It getting total grand total 24,442 rupees. Round off 24,500 rupees. Rate per 100 square meter. Rate per 100 square meter 24,500 per 100 rupees, 245 rupees per square meter. Similarly, pointing. Pointing in cement mortar 1:3 on brickwork on walls take 100 square meter. Calculation of material and empirical quantity of material taking 0.63 cubic meter. Overall volume is 0.63 cubic meter for 100 square meter. Of rule and tuck pointing. In case of flush pointing, 75% of above quantity is required. Volume of drive mortar 0.63 cubic meter. The ratio is 1:3. Cement 1 into 0.63 divided by 1 plus 3. It's around 0.16 cubic meter. 0.16 into 30 bags of cement is equal to 4.8 bags. Round off say 5 bags. Coarse sand 0.16 into 3 is equal to 0.48 cubic meter. In tabular column we mention material, labor and tools and plants. First one is material, cement 5 bags, sand 0.48 cubic meter and scaffolding. Cement present rate is 320 per bag. We multiply 5 into 320, it's around 1600. Sand 0.48 rupees, 3000 per cubic meter. 0.48 into 3000, 1440 rupees. Scaffolding lump sum 500. Labors admission of mason 10, mazdoor 10 and BISTI 4. Same rates for admission, mason and mazdoor 800, 600, 450. We multiply quantity into rate. 0.5 into 800, 400, 10 into 600, 6000, 10 into 450, 4500, 4 into 450, 1800. And third one is tools and plants. We taking lump sum 1000 rupees. Totally 17,240. We are adding 1% of water charges and 10% of contractor profit to the total. We getting grand total 19,153 rupees. We round off 20,000. Rate per 100 square meter we divided by 20,000 divided by 100. We getting rupees 200 per square meter. References B.N. Datta, Estimation and Costing in Civil Engineering, UBS Publishers, and also H.S. Vishwanath, Estimating and Costing, Sapna Bookhouse. Thank you for LMS team. In LMS team, we thank Chairman Sir Sri Nataraj MS Sir, Moderator Sri Devarasya Gowda Sir, and subject experts Sri Kiran Kumar S Sir, Sri Murli S Sir, and Sri Balanjanelu Sir. Thank you.